let me see.
It's a difficult equation.
But there's nothing difficult about this. Alright, let's see. 2x plus 2 equals to 4. Find the x. Right?
Yeah.
2x plus 2 equals to 4. 2x equals to 4 minus 2. 2x equal to x is equals to 1. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Linus, if you continue to put me through my assignment like this, I won't find it difficult to gain admission into the university and pass my O-leave.
So you intend to further your education to university level?
Yes, of course. You don't want me to be a graduate like you.
Don't aspire to be a graduate like me.
Why?
Do you want to be a graduate that ends up being a barber?
I've told you to stop talking like this. I'm convinced that one day you'll get a better job in good company, okay? Just keep on trying. Apply for jobs. You get good jobs, okay?
Okay. Alright. I hope your wishes come true. Because if it does, I'm going to come to your house. I'm going to pay your bride price.
Oh my
I'm going to get married to you.
Thank you very
tell me,
much.
If I come to pay your bride price, what would you do?
Okay, what I'll do, I'll be very happy. My mother will see you, you know.
Philomena. Philomena. So, you want to disgrace me? What are you doing here?
Mommy, I came to see my friend.
Which friend? This one? So, my friend. I'm going to share a good friend. Philo. So this is what you do. Each time I leave the house, you begin to walk around the whole place looking for boys to play with.
Mommy, but he's teaching me assignment. Now look at it. Who's going to do assignment? Who's going to do?
Go home. Come on. Look. See. He has even taught you to wear dresses that will be showing your bum bum. Hey. Oh, we share here go. Hey. So this is what you do. Eh? You plan to impregnate all the young girls around here.
No.
My daughter will be an exception. That will not work.
I was only helping her solve her assignment.
Hey. Thank God you have even confessed that you are guilty.
I'm guilty?
Yes.
How?
I'm going to call the police. Now I know that this your shop, this your barber shop, is a camouflage. You use this one to cover up for all the things you are doing. I will go and call the police. I will also call not just the SARS. I will call the SARS. I will call fire for fire people. So that they will come and stop you. Before you set this whole community on fire.
I'm sorry, ma. I haven't done anything wrong.
See? That is what I'm saying. Helping them to get pregnant.
No.
Unwanted pregnancy. The police will help stop you. Baba, have you tried to barb your own hair? Look at your baby. Everywhere hair. Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror? You see other people's faces, you don't see your own. Your hair needs to be barbed. Everywhere. Hair. You cannot barb your own, but you barb everybody. I'll push you.
Why must you embarrass me before my friend?
Who is your friend? Who is your friend? That Baba. Obushi Diego is your friend.
Mommy is my friend and I love him.
Hey, love. Don't try to love him. If I see you anywhere near him again or that is wretched shop, I am going to cut off your legs.
Mommy, why must you do that? When will you stop me from seeing a man that I love when you go out with Chief?
If I hear you mention Chief with this your stupid mouth again, I will kill you. If not for that Chief, who will pay your school fees? Who will shelter you? Will your stupid late father do all this for you? Or even solve your other responsibilities? Don't let me hear you mention Chief's name again. One, he's not your age mate. Secondly, my relationship with him does not concern you at all. I have right over you, don't have any right over me. What will that stupid Baba do for you? What? What will he do for you? Obishe Diego?
Mom, it's a lie. He loves me. He won't.
Wretched Baba again. Obishe Diego. Obishe Diego. After suffering in your father's hand, I will come back again and suffer in your husband's hand. It's not possible. You must marry into a comfortable place where you will be comfortable and I too will benefit from it. You are my investment. My investment, that's what you are.
Don't say I have not warned you. I warned you.
Chief, you haven't given me the money I asked for.
And how many times will I tell you that I don't have money? I don't have a dime with me. Huh? Why don't you use your own money and I will give you later? That's what I said.
Chief, this is what you have been telling me for a while now. Which responsible man will always ask his wife to use her money for the upkeep of the family?
Agnes, are you insinuating that I am no longer responsible? Is that what you are saying?
You are the one saying it though. All I want you to understand is that I have used all the money I had.
This your nagging must be put to an end. You must stop this your nagging. Alright? I'm not comfortable with that. I have a very important meeting to attend.
Important meeting, you said? Important meeting, my food. You're not going anywhere until you give me money. Give me the money. Are we supposed to starve?
Okay. Take money. Take. Can I go now?
Yes, sir. You can go. Thank you, sir.
Now, let me tell you this. Be warned. You must stop all this your nagging. I will deal with you in such a manner that you will not forget me in a hurry.
Chief, this money will not be enough. I'll just manage it. When you come back, give me another money.
Sisi.
How are you?
Open the gate for me.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning.
Okay, I hope say problem no dey.
What do you mean by that?
Okay, we know say we dey overhear you dey shout, dey holler for madam. So I come dey wonder.
Okay. We had a little disagreement, but it's settled.
Agali, you correct guy. I like your style well. I was talking, you know, say anytime when you and madam get quarrel like this, then we come view the thing, come trace the matter, come investigate and well. True to God, the problem they always come from you.
Shut up. What do you mean by that?
Agali, you know, say me, they normally they cover you up now to avoid any loophole. Even for your car, they check and tidy up everything. You understand? Make suspicion for no day. You grab me now. You grab me. I got you. You grab me. So as a bit now, as your special information minister, you know what to do now. Find me something better for the.
Don't be silly. In fact, you are very, very stupid. Now, must I give you money for everything that you say or do? Eh? Even calling you under my payroll. What's the matter with you? Come on, go and open that gate for me.
Gabi. This is no fair. You know, you think I check him. I said, yo! Come on, go and I remember saying me, I always dey your side. Whenever matters arise. So you just think I like that. Maybe. Oh yeah.
Waka waka, she took the waka, waka waka, waka waka for money.
You've drank yourself to stoop on it.
Shut up your mouth.
Brother, what do you gain by disgracing us in the city? Tell me.
The next time you talk to me like that, I will slap the hell out of your face. Look, I'm hungry. Go get my food.
No food. No food.
I'm hungry. Go and bring my food.
Which food are you talking about? Who is giving you food? Stupid drunk. As long as you have refused to behave yourself in this house, there will be no food for you, not even half a plate. I am going to starve you until you come back to your senses.
Mama, you know what? You are nothing but shame and disgrace to motherhood. Why are you acting like as if I'm a disgrace? Huh? I am not a failure. You failed me, I didn't fail. Because you and that lazy fuck that called himself my dad were busy making babies without plans for their future.
Is it Mama that you are talking to in such manner?
Are you stupid?
Don't touch me.
Are you stupid?
What's up with you?
You know what? You know what? You go tell Mama to go wake that lazy stupid fuck from that grave. That man that calls himself my dad. Because as far as I'm concerned, he is not dead. He needs to wake up and face his responsibilities. I need good education. Okay? At least I need money to travel abroad and hustle like every other young man.
Your mate are there hustling, you are here drinking. You only know how to...
How do you expect me to become a success overnight without any form of support from my parents? No! How? Come here. How do you...
Chief, my son has been a thorn in the flesh for me. I have done everything humanly possible to make him turn around, but to no avail.
My dear, I must tell you that things are very, very, very hard.
I know.
Nothing is moving very fine again in this country. But since you are the one that is involved, I will see what I can do to assist you.
Hey, thank you very much, Chief. Thank you.
Provided that I'll get something good in return.
Of course, Chief. Nothing goes for nothing, I know that. I will do anything you ask me to do.
Oh yes, because one good turn
Deserves another.
beautiful.
Thank you very much, Chief. Oh, c'est pas vrai.
Pourquoi? How dare you address me with such word?
Sir, I don't understand.
Oh la la! Oh la la! Vous comprenez rien. You understand nothing. Let me intimate and expatiate to you the criteria why, when you see me, you should address me as Doctor. First, I had my first degree in psychology and human physiognomy. I had my postgraduate diploma in environmental science. I had my master's degree in environmental health science, and I had my doctorate degree in psychology. Do you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Vous comprenez?
Yes, doctor.
Good. You have a good alma mater. Why didn't you come to school?
I went for an errand for my mom.
Hoo la la. Hoo la la. What am I saying? Hoo la la. Do you realize that your physical appearance can generate catastrophe in the mechanism of thinking in the human brain? Where are you going looking like this?
I'm going to see a friend.
Just a friend. This is not fashion concept. This is fashion radicalism. And get out of my face. Quickly. Leave. I said leave.
Yes.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Young girls of these days, they have resorted to indecent dressing under the umbrella of fashion. This is unacceptable. No. This is dangerous. Yes. This will cause a very big problem in the society. Yes. I mean, I cannot be consumed. What nonsense? Oh, come on. Can you imagine such nonsense?
You know I thought you won't come to see me again.
Abba, says who? Sorry for the embarrassment my mom caused you the other day, okay?
I am so scared of that woman. I am not ready for her troubles, seriously.
Do you know what? I love you so much. Nobody can stop me from seeing you, okay? See, right now, I brought you food, rice and stew.
Oh,
So
really?
nice. Just help me.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, I know you're gonna like.
Oh! This is what I want to eat. Wow, look at me. Let me take this.
You like it, shaki, meat, everything. Just taste it. You like it very sweet.
Philomena! What are you doing here?
I came to see my friend.
So after my several warnings, you still sneak to come and see this baba? Eh? I can see that your ears are meant for decoration. You won't. And you, have I not warned you to stay away from my daughter? Eh? I have to take you to the police station. So they'll ask you what you have done to my daughter. You cast a spell on her. But don't worry, I am going to set her free. I will lose those chains.
No, I haven't done anything to your daughter. We just love each other, that's all.
Who told you to love my daughter? I'll be sure Diego. I know what I'm talking about. Is that not my food flask? Baba, I'm asking you. Is this your food flask?
No, it's not my food.
Hey! I said it. I knew it. So Philo now brings my food with my food flask for you to eat. Huh? Hey! Let this not be what I'm thinking. Is it not the food I prepared that I have not even tasted?
Sorry, ma.
She brought for you to eat. Eh? You have to be sorry for yourself. Don't worry. Sorry for yourself. I am going to the nearest police station to come and arrest you. You now encourage my daughter to steal from you and bring to you. How many things has she taken from my house?
She didn't take anything, no.
How about she go? Evidence 2.
Madam, please, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Of course it will never happen again. Do I look like I will give you the chance for it to happen again? It will not happen again.
Madam, are you going with...
You still want to eat the food? I will serve you this food in the cell. Because I'm going right now to the police station for them to arrest you. You know, I will share it.
Chief, I understand everything about this business. Listen, there is nothing for you to worry about. Let's invest and monitor how these goods are delivered. That is the best way to safeguard our investment.
It's all right. But if you ask me, I am thinking that we should discuss on how to share the profits.
The profit sharing modality is not a problem. Since we are all investing 10 million naira each, I believe the profit should be shared equally.
I think I like that. I like that. In that case, you people should endeavor to pay into my account early enough to enable me place order for the goods to come in.
Well, Chief, as you can see, I came to see you today alone. There's a reason for that. My partners are not in town, but I want to promise you that I will fully represent them in every ramification. So whatever we discussed here will be relayed to them, and they will comply accordingly. So we are going to pay in the money first thing tomorrow morning.
Please do. You know, I actually wanted to ask that question, but I said to myself, let me keep quiet for the appropriate time to come. It's okay. It's a deal. It's a deal. What do we do? You care for a drink?
Oh, sure. Oh, sure. This calls for celebration.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is a good one.
That is the Baba. Arrest him.
Are you Mr. Linus the Baba?
Yes, can I help you?
Mr. Linus, you have to go with us to the station. Don't allow us to use force on you. Moso, you have to keep silent because anything you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Mama Philo, what is the meaning of this now? You didn't have to go.
I don't have any business with you at all. Don't just call me.
See, when you go to the station, where?
Mr. Linus, you have to go with us to the station. Don't allow us to use force on you. Moso, you have to keep silent because anything you say will be used against you in the court of law.
I mean, what have I done? Am I a criminal? Now, officer, move it. Move. Why are you pushing me? I didn't do anything wrong. What have I done? Move it! Move! Wait. Did I do anything? Every time you people disturbing me. Now, Mr. Ems, I just want you to tell me the truth.
I'm innocent. I'm not doing anything wrong.
I don't want to say, I don't want to repeat myself again. Before I come back here, make sure you tell me the truth, otherwise make sure I kill you! Make sure I kill you! Fool!
Thank you for honoring my invitation, Flux.
So what is it you want me to help you do?
Take this money.
What is this money for?
My mother arrested my boyfriend. And she has warned and instructed the police to not listen to me.
Why will she do such a thing?
Because she don't like the relationship I have with him. See, he's innocent. You need to listen to me. You need to help me.
What do you want me to help you do now?
I want you to use the money and pay him. Keep the rest for yourself, okay?
What?
Please, I'm begging. You need to help me, please. Please.
Alright, what police station is it now?
At the Central Police Station.
Alright, my dear friend. I'll try my best. I also involve my brother, okay?
Alright. Thank you very much. I'm happy.
Alright.
See, let me just show you. You know my mother. Bye.
Chief.
Nephew, don't want.
By the time I'm through with him,
Yes.
his customers will not recognize him again.
That's something right. That's idiot.
Which area go?
It's something right. Thank God that the inspector of police is my good friend. A trusted one for that matter. He's going to deal with him severely. Now, boy, you will rot there.
After this experience, even if it's a fowl that he sees coming out from my house, he will run for his dear life.
Definitely. Honestly, let's forget about that. Just drink and eat your meat. Let's talk about more important things.
Chief.
What?
I'm listening.
Do you know that there's this contract I won, honestly, and it involves huge sum of money.
Chief.
I am going to spend that money to get it. When I get that, I am going to even buy the aeroplane.
Are you serious?
Is it? Buy an aeroplane and make sure that you are the one driving the aeroplane. You know what I mean? When you balance on the steering of aeroplane, I'll be like this. Maybe we'll be going to Paris or, Dubai.
Will I go and learn how to ride an aeroplane?
Why not? Just pray that the deal will be very successful. Yes.
I'm going to soak my chaplet inside water.
I trust you. When the aeroplane comes, you will always take the driver position. You know what I mean?
You said me to Chief! My wife!
That boy is here.
I'm going to It's the one now. It's the one I was telling you about. What's his name?
Sergeant,
Sir.
I see that one Mr. Manish is our customer.
Yes, sir.
What offense has he committed?
Sir, I don't know. Inspector Kelvin is in a better position to answer.
Release him.
Yes, sir.
I've spoken with Inspector.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Bishop. I'm very grateful, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Shut up! We put tomatoes. Come on, Baba. Move. Leave me inside. Get inside.
Don't push me again. Don't push me again.
Shut up!
You don't go and arrest the armed robbers on the road. It's on my body that you have power.
Shut up! Any more word from you, get back to the cell where you came.
Better go and look for a better job.
I said shut up! Idiot. Criminal. Hardened criminal. Sergeant.
Sir!
Release this blood.
What's your name again? I will stop this man here. What's your name?
Criminal language.
Sit here, my friend. Madman. I'll take this and get out of this place.
Hardened criminal.
Fine, go.
Linus, I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry I could not come to the police station to see you. It's because of the instruction given to the policemen about me.
What kind of instruction?
My mom wanted me never to go to the police station. She also told the police that mother is spare, that they should not listen to me.
Under a spell?
Yes.
She said that?
That is the more reason why I had to send Flopsy to come and bring you out. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it, okay?
You're welcome.
I want to beg you for something. For now, I want us to be seen here. You know my mom. She used to check on your shop. So, let's just be staying here until I sort out things with her. Okay?
Alright.
Thank you very much. Okay. I have to start going now before she'll start looking for me. You know how she behaves.
Okay, I'll sleep.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Take care of yourself, okay? I'll take care of him.
I will trust you.
Alright.
Philomena, come here.
You almost scared me.
Where are you coming from? Where?
I went to see one of my schoolmates.
Shut up your mouth. So you now lie to me? Huh? I heard that somebody went and bailed that Baba boyfriend of yours. I'm sure you know about it. That's why you have gone to see him.
Ma, I don't know what you're talking about though. I'm tired and I need to go and rest.
Philomena, I'm looking for my money. Where is it? Have you gone to give it to him?
I didn't see your money. Oh. Can't look for it where you kept it. I didn't see your money.
You talk to me like that. No, is that the way you talk to me? I'm sorry. I don't have your time now. When I have your time, I will look for my money and I will find it. Trust me. You know me. I thought you wanted to go this way. You are sneaking. Hello, Chooks. Hello, Chris, my son. How are you? We are fine here. Your sister Philo is fine. And how is life treating you over there? What? What do you need that kind of money for? Where will I get it? I don't have that kind of money. I don't have it at all at all. I just sent you money the other day. Eh? I've not even recovered for that one you're asking for. Me, I don't have it. I don't have that kind of money. I don't know where you want me to get it from. Hello? Confused.
So you want me to send the sum of $50,000 to Chris, your son?
Yes, dear. He says he wants to embark on a lucrative business.
Now I know that your son is stupid and useless. You see, I had this feeling that he was hopeless when I was wasting my money to send him abroad.
How do you mean?
It's exactly 1 year that he traveled. He has not been able to achieve anything. As a matter of fact, he's supposed to have been stabilized in business. He is the one that's supposed to be sending money to us, not we sending money to him. That's a fact.
Are you sending the money or not?
I am not sure of that, boy. Because many that went by the same means are all doing very well. There is nowhere. Like I said earlier, I am not going to send a dime to him. Alright? He is stupid.
Enough! I won't have you insult my son in that manner.
And if I do, what will you do?
You regret ever knowing me.
What, Philomena, is that a threat?
Call it whatever you want. Chief, I won't have it. I won't have this at all. I don't want you to make me angry. You're getting me worked up, and I don't want to be angry.
I see.
My daughter, welcome. What is the matter? Why is your face like that?
Something happened in school today.
What happened?
While we were having practicals, I mistakenly broke one of the science apparatus and they asked me to replace it.
How much is it?
Mom, it's 15,000 naira.
Hey!
They said I should bring the money while coming to school tomorrow.
15,000 naira? Do you even want to kill me? Do you want to give me this girl?
What do you mean by that now?
You know I'm still looking for money to send to your brother. Eh? Since your father died, I'm the only one single-handedly bearing all the responsibilities. Right now I don't have money. So what do you want me to do? Go and get money from Linus.
Mommy.
After all, that is the reason you people have boyfriends.
What has Linus got to do with this now?
A beautiful girl like you should not be lacking anything. If he loves you, let him give you the money.
What of if he does not have the money?
If he loves you, he will do everything to keep you happy. Go and meet him.
Me, I need that money. I need to pay this money tomorrow before...
Am I holding you?
You know why I love you more? There's nothing that you don't know how to do. When you decide to do, you do it to the best form.
No.
See the way you pumped it. Yes. Let me quickly say this. Stainless. I want to say that I am awfully sorry for what happened the other day. Please find it in your heart to forgive me, please. Please. And I'm equally happy to tell you that I have been able to raise the money that we sent to your son abroad.
You have?
Oh, yes.
Oh, Chief!
I even added a little more.
Thank you very much.
Bless.
Hey, thank you. I'm so grateful, Chief. Now I know how much you appreciate me.
Oh, yes. Stanley, let me tell you this. I love you. I love you so much that I will always do anything that make you happy. You must always be smiling as far as this relationship lasts.
Cheers.
Cheers
to our future
and longevity. This one is like your face. Stainless. That's why I call it stainless. Ever.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you. My son will tell her.
Oh yes, I am going to send the money to your account tomorrow. First thing in the morning.
Thank you.
I want you to smile all day.
Of course I will.
Abanchala. It's well.
Ah, Philo.
My love, good afternoon.
Philo, how are you? Sit down.
No, thank you. I don't want to sit down.
What can I offer you?
I don't want anything.
Let me buy Coke for you now, Fanta. Sit down.
No. I came to discuss something very important with you.
Is everything alright?
I broke one of the science apparatus yesterday in school and I was asked to replace it tomorrow morning. I asked my mom, she said she don't have any money to give to me.
How much is it?
It's 15,000.
15,000! Hey! Philo, I don't have that kind of money here.
Just borrow. Call your friends, borrow from anybody. Go around, look for money because I need to pay this thing tomorrow morning.
The truth of the matter is, I don't know who to borrow from. Philo, you're not a new person. You know how I've been surviving here. You know this shop is the only means of my livelihood. What do you want me to do? I don't have such money here.
I should have grown to know that you're deceiving me. My mom has been telling me all this while, but I didn't listen. See, now you cannot give me common 15,000 naira. See, do you know what? This relationship is over. It's over because you don't just want it at all. You don't want it. You cannot give me this. You cannot do for me. So what will you give to me? Nothing. So you want them to beat me in school tomorrow, Abi?
How could you say a thing like that? Philo, you know how I've been surviving here. Philo, don't do this to me now. Why you treating me like this? You come here sometimes, you see how much I make here. Don't treat me this way now. It's not fair now. You
I enjoy the food thoroughly.
Thank you, Chief.
Oh, you are a wonderful cook. God bless you.
Thank you. I prepared it specially for you.
That's my sweetheart. That's good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chief. You're welcome. My son Chris called to acknowledge the receipt of that money.
Oh, he did?
Yes. I'm so grateful. Thank you. At least he won't have any excuse that he couldn't get his business stabilized anymore.
All right. I know. He will do it. He will do it. I think I will have to run along. This is a very important meeting to attend.
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Take good care of yourself.
Yes, maybe.
Wow, I can use you. Chief, too much sun. Yeah? Waiting this one can they do for inside Chief car? I been a madam forget her here. Wait. But what if this no come belong to madam? Like be saying that one of these chief girlfriend and I go get this in. Chief. What do we go do now? Anyway, we take up my own for inside. Chief, for some time now, we know they represent well in the chop alone. Therefore, I go allow him to suffer alone. Don't drop on where person you see him. Go. Madam, what are you?
What is it? I know it's food you're looking for. I'm not done yet.
No be food. No be food I look for. Madam, I want to show you something. And I swear to God, you go like what I want to show you now.
What could that be?
Follow me. Let me go to motor. At the wash motor now, I discover something. You need to see, madam. Where will they go?
La Sisi.
Ma?
I'm sure this is not one of those your expensive jokes. Because if it is, I'm going to starve you in this house for 3 good days.
You just the talk. Okay, if not true, I say you see the thing that makes sense. Let me say I go get double ration for this house for 3 days. Abi?
Okay, agreed.
Where go to car? Follow me, madam. Okay, where they go now? Just. Come here. See, Ross, you brush it. Now you get up. Yeah? Huh? No.
It's not now. So, Chief, this is what you normally do. Carry women around. No wonder, I said it. No wonder Chief don't take care of me and the children anymore. Eh? No more playing together like husband and wife, or do things together again. Lasisi, thank you very much.
No, thank you.
Very much.
Yeah, thank you. But don't forget our agreement to you of the double ration for 3 days.
Don't worry, I'm going to do that.
Don't forget Amo. I don't. See, Chief. It is a great sense in the guy. I don't try to cover Chief up, they cover him up. In the show big guy man sense. You know the free show appreciation at all. Now I go here and now. You want to try me? I beg. Let's continue from where I started before, sir. Yeah.
What have I done to you in this house? Just tell me, how have I offended you? How? What have I done to you now? Eh?
What are you talking about? What's the problem?
I mean, why are you ranting this morning? What's the matter with you?
Who is the owner of this ribbon brush I found in your car?
Women brush? You call it ribbon brush? In my car? What's he doing there?
Oh, you're asking me what the ribbon brush is doing in your car? Okay, I'll tell you. It's from one of those your numerous women. Deny it. Shameless man.
Hey, Agnes, don't insult me. Please, don't insult me this moment. Did you get that?
Chief, for one night, you have insulted yourself. You are the one who have insulted yourself from the day you decided to be carrying those women around and abandon your matrimonial duties. I won't look at me. Just take a good look at me one night. What is it you're looking for?
No, hey, enough. Shut this your useless trap. Have you gone mad? You should be the one that will tell me what men see in women. Go ahead and tell me, Agnes. Now I'm be warned. Be warned, I am not prepared to tolerate this nonsense from you any further. Not now. Not even later. Now get out. Get out of my face before I do something that I will regret.
Okay. Sure, it's me and you in this house.
I said, come on, get out. Get out! Fool! Huh? Nonsense.
Whoa! Yes! I'm fucking back, man. Woo! Where's my mommy, man? Shit! Mommy? Yes! 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 I'm fucking back here! Oh shit, that's my fucking mama, man! Oh! You looking great, Mom!
Welcome back.
Thank you, mommy! Mom, chop knuckle. Oh, knuckle, mama.
Another one.
Yeah, knuckle, mama. Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you, mom.
How was your trip?
Oh shit, fuck my trip, mama. I'ma gist you there, man.
Yeah. Is that what you went to learn?
Yeah, I'll gist you there, man. Mom, you know what? You help me do some. I need like 5K to sort this motherfucker. Yeah.
Bros, please settle me now. Let me go and do my business.
Hello? Can you just shut the fuck up? This is my mama, man.
Give him some money now.
No, mom. I don't have naira, you know.
Oh, okay.
I have pounds, I have euro, I have dollars, but I don't have naira.
It's okay. Let me go get it.
Yeah, just 5K.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my sweet mama, man. Shit. Hey. Wait, yo. The next time you talk to my mama in such manners, I swear to God, I'ma whoop your ass real bad. That's my sweet mama, man. And this is my fucking crib. Damn.
You said 5,000.
Yeah, 5K, man.
Now, is that why you are insulting my son that just came back from abroad? Eh? Has any member of your lineage been able to cross the sky? Take. Welcome, my son.
Hey, thank you. Hey, mama, man, you're looking great. Oh, shit, mama. That's my sweet mama, man.
Welcome, my son.
Thank you,
You're
mama.
looking great.
Thank you. Welcome. Okay, let's do this. Wait, yo. Dang. When I move my laptop, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Dang. Mama.
Hey!
Dang.
You would have gone with it, too.
Yes, I want to move my laptop, man. This is my laptop. Mom, you know what?
There are tricks.
Mom, say, oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
That's my mama, man. Good to see you, man. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah.
Oh, no, I'll fix it. Do the phone. Yeah. Mama!
Is he only one bag you can wait?
Yeah.
So my son, why didn't you tell me you were coming?
Mom, you know my way now. I just wanted to surprise you all. Yeah.
Surprise? So how was life over there?
Oh shit. Mom, I swear to God, it wasn't easy for me. Yeah. But that's by the way. What's up with my little sis? Where is she? I've not seen her.
Oh, she's not back from school yet. So how was your business?
Biz? Mom, there was no business going on. Business?
What? Yeah. But you confirmed the money Chief sent to you.
Oh, shit. Mom, you see Chief? Chief is a greedy old motherfucker. Yeah.
How?
Mom, let me shock you. You see Chief did not send me to any European country as he promised. He rather made you believe he did, but he didn't.
It's a lie.
I swear to God, Mom. Do you know what Chief did to me? Chief sent me to one of those countries in deep crisis for me to be killed.
Oh.
Yes. Look at what happened. When I noticed that they wanted to kill everybody in that country, I had to run for my life. I saw hell. I called Chief. I was like, Chief, what's going on? He was like, no, I will fix it. Don't tell your mom.
And you didn't tell me?
Mom, I was left with no option. Look at what happened. I tried to escape. They caught me and dumped me in their prison.
Eh?
Mom, you need to see your baby boy in prison. I saw hell. I cried. I prayed. I fasted by force, Mom. But thank God for, what do we call them? One of those prison staffs. I begged and paid him. Mom, I had to pay this guy so that he can let me go. And here I am.
God bless him more. Eh?
Chief is wicked as well. You know what? Let's forget about this chief thing. No, I'm hungry. I missed your food. What is the salad?
Food is not the problem, please. Food is not the problem.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Hey!
Chief is wicked.
Very wicked. No, it's not just wicked. It's deadly.
Calm down and tell me what it is. What is the problem?
Don't even ask me to calm down and pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. For your information, my son Chris is back and he told me everything. You told me you were going to send my son to Europe. And you ended up sending him to one of these countries that is having crisis.
Well, my agent had a problem sending them into Europe. So he diverted them into a nearby continent of Asia. So, to me, it's better than bringing them back. Huh? Besides, he is not the only one that embarked on that trip. He's not the only one that embarked on that trip. There are others that went with him and all doing very well. So, you can see that your son is useless.
It's you and your family that is useless. Let me tell you, you won't kill Scott free in this one. Yes.
Yeah, that grammar master Bonko using addressing students at the morning assembly this morning. Ha! I don't think we can find out that grammar in any learner advanced dictionary.
Have you checked in the dictionary? I did not see it.
Although I've not checked though, I don't think we can find that word. Panadonomy of collectivism in any of the advanced dictionary.
That master Bongo, he likes using big grammar just to confuse all the students.
Don't mind that man.
I love that man.
Man,
this one is too much.
I am telling you.
I want to be going. I want to pass this way. We'll see tomorrow. No problem.
Hello, pretty. Oh, you know, pretty girl like you shouldn't be seen walking under this heavy sun. Can I drop you off?
No, thank you.
Okay, my name is Joe. Since you don't want me to drop you off, let's do it this way. Come on, take this 10,000 naira as your transport fare to your house. Come on, have it.
But this is too much, sir.
Don't worry, this is nothing. I am very, very happy that a pretty girl like you accepted my offer.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome. God bless you too. I'll be expecting your call. Huh? Don't fear to call me, okay? Bye.
Look at your hair, man. You're looking like a bush girl. Huh? Don't you see these girls? What's their name? Okay, Nicki Minaj, Rihanna. Do something classy and colorful. That's what's up.
Then give me money now. Let me make my hair.
Money? No what? I'm going to see my road dog down the street. Okay?
Don't stay out late, though. Come back. You know mommy. You know mommy.
Oh shit! That's my sweet mama, man.
Hello, son. Where are you going?
I want to go see my road dog down the street.
Your what?
Oh shit! My road dog down the street.
You have a dog?
No! My road dog means my friend.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Road dog shit! Okay. Just make sure you come back early. Yeah?
I will.
Don't stay out too long.
I will.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
How was your day today in school?
Fine, mom. Yes, I was coming back from school today. I met a man with big and beautiful car. Mommy, he said he liked me.
Oh!
Yes, even gave me huge sum of money and his complimentary card.
Wow. He did?
Yes, mommy.
Can I see the money and the complimentary card?
Mommy, look.
Ooh. What?
Yes, mom.
This is good. Really? You see, this is the kind of man you need in your life. Not that wretched baba that calls himself Linus.
Mommy, don't be sure of this man because I've not discussed anything with him.
You don't need to. Such men don't talk much. Their actions speak louder than voice. Look at it now. 10,000 naira. You know what? This is just for your transport from school to the house. Something that would have taken you only 100 naira. You see what I mean?
Mommy.
You said he has a big car.
Yes, mom. He has a big car.
I want you to call him.
Mommy, you know I don't have a phone to call him.
Okay. Take my phone. Call him.
Mom.
Call him. This one is serious. The difference is clear.
Thank you.
Why are you going to bring my phone?
Yes, mom. Go here with the complimentary card. I don't know.
Let me keep this for you. When you come inside.
I like good things too much.
You don't like it.
Well, yo. It's my nigga home. Dr. Willie. Where you are, motherfucker? Sabon bullshit. Oh, yeah, he is. Dr. Willie, my biggest bro. Dr. Willie. The only dude that can speak English, grammar from morning till the next morning. Shit.
Merci beaucoup.
See you, man. What's up? I'll see something. What's up? You're looking good.
Chris the octopus.
The only student that was referred to a sea creature with 8 tentacles. I know you are the only entity that can salute me with such accolade. You know, there's something I can never ever forget. Way back in school, the way you used to ce n'est pas bon se presser, bon la pas se presse. Oh shit. So, how is ya? I heard that you travel abroad. Oh. So, how was your sojourn in search of greener pastures? Oh shit. Big bro, let me tell you something. My trip was fucked. I was messed up. Let me just say, wasted effort. Yeah, look at what happened. I found myself in that stupid country in deep crisis. Wow. They wanted to kill me. Wow. I had to run. I had to escape for my dear life. Wow. So my journey was fucked, man. Hoo la la. Chris the octopus. I am not flabbergasted. Leblanc c'est même chose. You see, in the Western country, they operate a tight security system, which is not like the porous system obtainable here. Okay? Chris, I wouldn't want your experience over there to jeopardize your modus operandi right here. I know very, very well that you're orthodox in pursuit of life challenges is strong. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that the status quo is high. It's not like what is obtainable from the commoners around us here. Dr. Will, can you just chill? Can you just slow down all this bomb braba thing? The point is this. I'm fucked. I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. I don't know who to go to. These motherfuckers around here, they don't believe me. They see me like, I don't know. I'm fucked. Nah. Forge ahead and put the past behind you. Are you serious? Oh shit. Oh. This is what I'm talking about, man. That's what's up, man. You need to offer me some, man. Yeah, let's go. Offer me some. I am going to attend to some students over there, Chris. Oh shit. Look, I'm coming here for the first time, okay? You need to offer me some. Maybe you should come back later. Oh shit, you're so fucked, man. Shit. You're fucked, man. You can't even offer me some. C'est bon, bullshit. Chris the octopus. Hoo la la. Can you imagine? He came to my house and made an act when I got some.
Honey, you said you are not eating anything, neither drinking.
I don't want.
Honey, I actually invited you over here to apologize to you over what happened the other day. I'm really sorry. You know, we've come a long way in this relationship, and I won't want little thing to rubbish it. I'm sorry.
Chief, you know how we are. And you decided to send my son to one nation that is in deep crisis. How is that?
I'm sorry, like I said earlier. You see, I had already explained to you how it all happened. Please, forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm going to make it up to you.
How do you mean?
Okay. I'll tell you how I mean. Could you please remind me today's date? Is it 6th or?
6th.
6th, that's right.
Chief.
All three.
Chief. Chief. Oh, you're here drinking. Eh? You're here drinking, Chief.
What is it again? Why are you shouting?
Chief, I told you.
You told me what?
I told you that one of these days, your sins are going to locate you.
Yeah, Agnes, don't just start. Don't disturb my peace, please. Don't. Please.
Peace, you said? Peace! Not when you don't want to give me peace in this house. You don't want to give me peace. For that, I'm not going to give you one. What is this handkerchief doing in your pocket? Obonia, tell me, what business do you have with lipstick that made it to stain your handkerchief like this? This is not mine. It's not me. So, can you explain?
You know your problem? Your problem is that you talk too much. In short, you are a talkative. And until I do something terrible, you will not stop talking to me anyhow.
Chief!
Maybe you don't even know that as a titled man, the tradition permits me to marry as many wives as possible.
In which house?
You don't know that?
In which house? You can't do it. Chief, you will not try it.
Is that a challenge?
Yes.
You are challenging me?
Of course, I am challenging you. You can't dare it.
All right. I will tell you that I am the man of the house.
If you want to tear this family apart, I, Agnes, will help you to tear this family apart. Anyhow you play this music, I'm ready to dance to it.
Will you get out?
Try me.
Get out! Get out of my face. I said get out! Go and face your domestic.
You're underrating me. You're underrating me. We shall see in this house.
Get away.
Don't worry.
You can't do anything.
Don't worry, man.
If you want, I'll get married the next moment. Idiot.
Don't worry, try it.
Look at you.
This handkerchief, try it.
Fool! Is it because I've been keeping quiet in this house? How dare you? Why didn't I remove this handkerchief?
You know what I can do? You know I can do anything for you.
I don't need a seer to tell me this.
But do you believe me?
Yeah, I do.
You know what? Maybe by next week I'll get something like this for you.
Oh my God, thank you.
Phil, who the fuck is this fat boy? And what the hell are you doing with him? My love, who is he?
It's my elder brother.
Oh shit. Phil, you know what? I'ma close my eyes like now. If I open them and see you here, you are dead.
Brother, stop embarrassing me in front of my friend now. I'm acting like this fool.
Phil, I swear to God, if I open my eyes and see you here, I'ma whoop your ass real bad. So just bounce. Philo, if I open my eyes and see you here, I'ma whoop your ass real bad. I'm warning you. Wait, yo. What's the meaning of what you just did? Oh, shit. Okay. Who the fuck are you? Like, what's your name? You don't need to know my name.
Oh yeah?
Okay, fine. Now you listen and listen real good, okay? Phil is my younger sis, and I don't want to see fat fools like you around her. I swear to God, the next time I see you here, I'ma whoop your ass real bad. Okay? Now bounce. Who the fuck do you think you are? Because you have this? This is bullshit! Oh, say!
Mommy, one brother
Chris, oh. One brother Chris, I was discussing with my friend Joe outside and he came there embarrassing me. He's not going to marry me. He's only my brother. He's not going to buy me all this expensive gift.
Thank God you're here. Jeez. Mom, you need to see what I saw just now.
What? What did she do?
Okay, let me break it down. I saw Phil out there romancing, kissing, hugging some fat dude. Can you imagine that?
Chris, leave my daughter alone. Let her be.
Jesus Christ.
Leave her alone.
Are you serious?
Yes. Joe has indicated his interest to marry my daughter. Is it not true?
Yes, Mom.
Hello, are you serious?
Yes.
You're supporting her, Mom? Oh, shit!
Shit! Mommy, don't mind him. He's only jealous. Very, very jealous. See, he's not going to buy me all this expensive gift. Mommy, just look at what you bought for me. Plenty things.
This one, I don't like this one. Let him buy better things for you.
Mommy. Hey!
Hello? Off Yes! Cheers, baby.
To our country.
Oh, yes. Hooray!
Hooray!
Hooray! Honey, dining and wine in this manner is the best way to celebrate this year's anniversary. Enjoy it. How can I celebrate it without you? Thank you very much for being around. Yes, and there's this thing I've been longing to discuss with you.
What is it?
I don't know if there is a proper place to say it.
What? What? Marry me. As what? As a second wife?
Yes.
That's not possible.
Why?
I don't want us to deliberate further on this issue. I can't stand myself living under the same roof with that your local champion that you call a wife.
If that is your problem, okay. Anyway, let's enjoy ourselves. Maybe we should deliberate on this.
Just close that chapter.
I should close it. When I close it, we open. Open and close. The girl.
Yes, Daddy.
Your people are back from school. So how did it go?
Fine, Daddy.
What position?
First.
Oh, beautiful. I trust you. I know you'll always make me proud. And you?
Second.
Look at your mouth, second. Eh? Why would that boy beat you even? Okay, all the same, he's still okay. Eh? You're welcome.
Daddy, they gave us an assignment to do during the long holiday.
Oh, an assignment?
Yes, Dad.
That's good. I love that. It means you people will be busy.
Yes, Dad.
I like that. So what's the assignment?
It is about the study of my village as a habitat.
Really?
Yes, Dad.
Hey, I know it. I know that one day you will grow up to be the person that will write the history of my town.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy,
Yes.
please, can we also use the opportunity to spend the holiday with Grandma in the village?
Why not?
Thank you, Daddy.
Yes, I approve of it. I approve it. I know. You know you are her favorite. Eh?
Okay, kids, don't worry. When you guys are ready for the trip, I'll take you there, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Meanwhile, just go in and freshen up. I have some food. Yes.
Darling.
You've done this for me.
Hi, dear.
So that's why I trust you always.
Thank you, dear. How was your day?
Well, fine. It's just that I've been waiting. I miss you.
I miss you too.
Wait, let me quench your thirst somehow. I know you
That's
like
lovely.
It. Yes. This is a drink of the cup. Oh. Really good.
Good. We're really enjoying. Thank you.
I got to. Yeah, a little more. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know where to start from. I don't know what to do. So I want you to advise me on how to use my 2 mil. That's what's up, man. That's what's up.
Chris, don't be overwhelmed by verbal promise of 2 million naira. Chris, let me tell you, you need to apply your thinking mechanism. Yes, you should. I do hope that your thinking mechanism is operating in the right radius. Yes, do you understand what I'm saying, Chris?